In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize TradingView efficiently. TradingView is a powerful platform for charting and analyzing various markets, including indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and Forex. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, TradingView offers a comprehensive array of tools to enhance your trading experience. To get started with TradingView, head over to their homepage. One of the great things about TradingView is that you can freely browse markets without the need to log in. This makes it incredibly accessible if you want to get right into exploring different market charts. On the homepage, you'll find a vast selection of markets available, such as indices, stocks, cryptocurrency, and Forex. This variety allows you to easily dive into the specific market you're interested in. Now, if you have a particular symbol in mind, it's simple to find its chart. Click on the search bar located at the top of the page. From here, you can enter well-known ticker examples like AAPL for Apple, BTC/USD for Bitcoin against the US dollar, or USDJPY for the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Once you've entered the symbol, hit Enter and TradingView will present you with the corresponding chart. This feature quickly connects you to the data you need, setting the stage for deeper analysis. Once your desired chart is open, you can change the time frame to fit your trading strategy. Head over to the time frame menu at the top toolbar. Here, you'll find options ranging from as short as 1 minute to as long as 1 day. This flexibility allows you to tailor your analysis, whether you're day trading with a 5-minute chart or swing trading with a daily chart. Choosing the right time frame can give you the perspective necessary for your trading decisions. For those looking to perform technical analysis, the left toolbar is your go-to. You can use this area to draw various annotations like trend lines or boxes, which can help in identifying patterns and key levels on your chart. Engaging with these tools can deepen your insight into potential market movements, improving your charting skills. Before you close your TradingView page, it's important to preserve your hard work. Although the platform doesn't save chart layouts automatically, you can save a snapshot of your chart. Look for the camera or snapshot button. A quick click here will allow you to download an image of your chart directly to your device. This ensures you have a record of your analysis that you can refer back to later, allowing continuity in your trading journey. And there you have it. You're now equipped to efficiently use TradingView to browse and analyze a wide variety of financial markets. Remember, like any tool, the more you practice using TradingView, the more proficient you will become in making informed trading decisions.